Assalamualaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan, Tajik's President discussed bilateral relations. Tajik's President Imam Ali Rahman held an one-on-one meeting with Prime Minister Imran Khan, who approved China's Sinovac COVID vaccine. The World Health Organization approved the Sinovac COVID-19 vaccine for emergency use, the second Chinese jab to receive the WHO green light. Gold rates decline in domestic market. Gold rates registered a decline in the domestic market as per Tola price of yellow metal fell by rupees 552 1,12,300. Security guard opens fire during drama shooting in Karachi's DHA, 9 injured. At 9 people sustained bullet wounds after a security guard allegedly opened fire during the shooting of a drama in the Defense Housing Authority neighborhood of the city. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.